Hi everyone, this is Almarie Quinones and taking up the course of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Science and Health. So, adding images to your presentations make them more interesting and engaging. Pictures, clip art, and screenshots can be inserted into PowerPoint to help you effectively communicate your ideas to your audience. So, in this video tutorial, you will learn how to insert and manipulate pictures, clip arts, and screenshots into your slides. So, for the start, let us open in Microsoft PowerPoint. So, when working with images, to insert an image from a file, first is to select the Insert tab. Then, click the Picture command in the Images group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Then after, select the desired image file. Then click Insert. So the picture will appear in your slide. You can also select the Insert Picture from File command in a placeholder to insert images. Here. Okay, so let us proceed to locate clip art. First is select the Insert tab again. Then after, click the Clip Art command in the Images group. So the Clip Art options appear in the task pane to the right of the document. Enter keywords in the search for field that are related to the image you want to insert. Then after, click the drop-down arrow and the results should be the field. Then after, select any types of media you don't want to see. If you want to also to search for clip art on office.com, place a check mark next to include office.com content. Otherwise, it will just search for clip art on your computer. Then after, click Go. So now, let us proceed to insert clip art. Review the results from a clip art search in the clip art pane. Here. Then select the desired image. So now the clip art will appear in your slide. You can also select the Insert Clip Art from File command in a placeholder to insert clip art, which is here. So let us now proceed to inserting screenshots. For a review, screenshots are pictures that capture the visible windows and items displayed on your computer screen. So, on how to insert screenshots of a window. First, for the third time, let us select the Insert tab. Then, click the Screenshot command in the Images group. The screenshot will appear in your slide. So to insert a screen clipping from a window, again, let us click in the Insert tab. Then click the Screenshot command, then select Screen Clipping. A faded view of your current desktop will appear, and your cursor will turn into a cross shape. Click, hold, and drag on the area of the window you want to capture. So now the screen clipping will appear in your slide. So that's all, and that's the end of my video tutorial. I hope that you've learned something about manipulating and inserting images, clip arts, and screenshots. God bless.